Hi, welcome back. This is Naima Bello. So for this particular video, we're going to be talking about keywords in C. In the previous video, we saw or we took a look at the C fundamentals, right? That's the building block of C. So the keywords is one of the fundamental in C that you need to get comfortable with, right? Now, keywords in C are reserved words that have predefined meanings. They are special words with predefined meaning, right? Reserved word, special word. The computer recognizes them. They cannot be used as identifier. You can't use them as variable name or function name. They are like secret instructions that tell the computer what to do. Now, immediately the computer sees these words, it recognizes it. It knows that, okay, if it sees this, this is what you're trying to do. If it sees this, this is what you're trying to do. Now, let me go over to my terminal and show us a practical example of what I'm talking about. So in my directory here, I have a file, a C file, keywords.c. So I'll go into it, and inside the file, I have the boilerplate. If this is looking strange to you, you might just pause the video and go look at the video I did on boilerplate, right? So inside this file, I want to write a simple program that will just print out a random age, right? So I want to deal with data. I want to deal with numbers. So I need to use a keyword, int, right? So to tell the system that, okay, the data I'm trying to impute here is going to be a number, right? So I'll give a variable name, age. The variable name can be anything. We'll get to see the int, that's the data type, and the variable in details in subsequent videos. But for now, the key focus is on the keywords, right? So the int here is a keyword that is telling the system that, okay, I'm trying to input a number data type, right? So I'll give a random age here, say 10. Then I'm going to print out um, the age. So I'm dealing with numbers. I need to specify percent %d. I have a video on printf too, right? So I'll bring down my variable name here. So I'll print out the age I just imputed. Now I'm going to save and quit this file. Then I'm going to compile it. Keywords.c, or give it the executable name exec. Enter. So I should have an executable file here. So exec. I'm going to run that and we'll get to see. Okay, so my program worked fine and it gave me what I wanted, right? So how about I go back into my program and try to rename this variable name, which is age. I'll give it a data type. I'll give it a keyword, the int keyword. The int is a keyword. We have various keywords, which I'll show us picture of it at the end of this video. So I change my variable keyword to int, which is a reserved key. Then of course I'll print it out here. Then I'll save and quit this. I'll recompile my code. Okay, wow. So we see it's throwing an error, right? Right. The error messages most times can be confusing. Basically, you can see that it's pointing to the int here, so it will not accept it. The int is a reserved keyword. You can't use it for variable name and functions, right? So let me show us the picture I promised us. I made mention of earlier. So here is a picture representative of the keywords in C. I think they're about 32 or 33 or so, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.